Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to track Shopify conversions from Facebook ads on Google Analytics 4. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open UTM parameters Facebook campaign ads with UTM builder. So for that, after opening that, enter the website URL and get the campaign information. Now share the generated URL with all the promotional channels and then add generated link to your ad. Whatever ad you have put up, you have to add the generated link to that specific ad and then click acquisition and then click on the acquisition overview. After that, you'll be able to track Facebook ads on Google Analytics 4. So that's how you can track Shopify conversions from Facebook ads on Google Analytics 4. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.